Okay, this is a test of the X16 GPS. We're going to fly mostly with the GPS off. So we're going to launch here with the auto launch. Okay, it's hovering. Give it a little more throttle. Winds are like about 7 miles per hour. Feels like it's coming out of the south. Hold on. Yeah, correct that. It's about 7 mile per hour winds out of the south. Okay, she's hovering in GPS. I'll take her up a little bit higher. Seems to be doing okay. I'm going to turn off GPS. We're going to fly in just altitude hold mode. Okay, it's off. You see it drifting. Okay, I've got control of it. Go up a little bit higher. Flying sideways. As you can see, I don't have the brakes like I do in the GPS. But she flies real nice. I think I've got a loose screw rattling around in there. You could probably hear it a little bit, hopefully. But she flies without all that wobble that you get when you fly into GPS mode. She's a much steadier flyer this way. Okay, I've got her in. Said she's in rate 1. You know, still very responsive. Can get some pitch. Bring it back in front of me here. We'll try the a little punch out here. Get her down. I'm going to hit her in rate 2. Get a little lower. Okay. Full throttle up. I've seen it go faster in full throttle up, but maybe not as fast as that red engine one, but pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. Bring her down again, and we'll do a yaw. Yaw in rate 2. Try not to take her too far away. I don't want to get her off camera on you. Got a plane flying ahead of me, but we're flying real low here. We're only about 20 feet up, if that. So, plane's not be any problem for us. Okay, I'm flying this baby into the wind. So that's flying into the wind. And here it comes back towards me. Here, so you can see the pitch. So it doesn't quite have the air brakes that does with the GPS on, but you know, not bad at all. Oops. She's got a little wind up there, but she's handling pretty good. She flies much better without the landing legs on. I mean, it's a whole different quad without those landing legs on. Some of the reviews talked about how it could get ahead of its GPS, like Quadcopter 101 was one of the people that said that, like it, and that's very true. When you have the GPS on, sometimes it would slow down trying to catch up with the GPS signal, but again, I'm flying with no GPS here. Keeping it low, hopefully you guys can see it. Hopefully I'm doing a good job on my hat cam here. Alright, bring it down a little bit lower. And let me flick on the GPS again. Okay. Hope you can see it. Hope I'm doing a good job with that thing. So I'm gonna flip the GPS on. You can see, look at it, just lock right in, almost instantaneously. Stop moving. I mean, it's bouncing a little bit here in the wind here, but you know, it's not going anyplace. But I'm going to set it downfield with the GPS. You can see a little more docile, a little less pitch. See, it kind of wobbles a little bit when you kind of put the brakes on there, unlike when you have the when you're flying in just altitude hold. See, it kind of gets real wobbly where you don't get that, you know, with the altitude hold. Okay, turn off GPS again, back in altitude hold mode. Let's give her one more punch out test here. Alright, here we go. Sorry, I know I lost it for you in a second, but we go down here on altitude hold mode. Coming back. I got a track with people down there, so I kind of don't want to fly over their heads. This kind of isn't a really big enough field for her. She really needs a bigger open space so I can really, you know, let her rip, but to do for now. So as you can see here, she's you know, got a lot more pitch, just flows along in the air even for a big bird. Pretty good little sport flyer, and with GPS off, actually. Not quite in the bugs level, but